Hello guys, we're back again. Time check is 5:28 p.m. Katatapos na namin dito sa San Francisco de Asis. So we're heading to San Rafael Arcangel. Most of them are closed na, so we were just taking pictures para makomplete namin itong visit namin sa...
Alright guys, we're back on the road again. This time pupunta po tayo sa Mission San Rafael Arcangel. Dito naman po dadaanin natin ang Golden Gate Bridge.
Continue on US 101 for 14 miles.
So soon as you can see, dyan nakikita po na ninyo yung bridge. Ayun siya. This time dadaan po tayo sa tunnel.
Halos nakikita po na ninyo yung bridge sa bandang kanan. Alam niyo po, itong Golden Gate Bridge it's about 8 hours drive from Oceanside, kaya madalang lang kami makapunta dito dahil po malayo. Kaya pag napupunta kami dito, talagang gusto ko itong makanta. Napakaganda, ang sarap ng pakiramdam dahil nga po ito isa sa mga pinakamagandang tulay. Napaka-popular. I remember nung grade school ako, nakikita ko lang po ito sa mga notebook. Ngayon nadaanan ko na at dadaanin ko ulit. So, it feels really good. Kaya ito na po. Here we go. Golden Gate Bridge. We're passing na. Ayun na. Woohoo! You're beautiful.
Okay, now I have to look the moment. I have no good angles. All your guys' heads are in the way. Stephen Curry.
city of San Rafael. Hi guys, we're here. Time check is 6:16 p.m. We made it dito sa San Rafael Arcangel, so we're gonna go there right now, okay? And then we have one more to go. Later, bye. Hello, Mr. Noah. You got Amber? Sige ka. Alright guys, ayun na pupunta namin. Isang mission, hindi yung tabi niya. Ayan po, ayan na yung Mission San Rafael. Mission San Rafael was founded on December 14, 1817 by Father Vicente de Sarria. Located po ito sa San Rafael, California. At pang 20th po sa California's 21 missions. Ayun po, sandali lang po kami dito sa loob. Yung gift shop I think sarado rin. At least kahit pa paano, nakapasok kami at nakapag-video kahit konti lang at take pictures. Ayan, maganda rin kahit maliit. Ayan po yung sa labas.